Usually we eat it with orange, like
Oh.
at the same time because it's good contrast of taste.
With orange. With,
You eat